Okay, so this the sunglasses that I freaking ordered. The freaking packaging. I ordered 2 glasses. That's what they gonna freaking look like. Well, that's pretty freaking nice. It came in its own freaking case. Just undo that. I'm gonna show these freaking glasses off. So also came actually quite a bit of freaking packaging. What's in here? Got the charger, got the cleaning stuff. Guess there's the instructions. So it's definitely in Chinese. But I'm gonna show you guys what the cameras actually is. Well, okay. What the hell's the camera at? The camera like right there? That's freaking odd. I seriously don't know what the freaking camera is at. Because like the models that I looked up on YouTube, they had a camera right there. But these ones don't. I mean, you got the freaking USB charge port right there. And I think there's a place where you could put an SD card on. So I don't know where you actually put the SD card at. Oh, jeez. But right there is how you start it. That shit is definitely plastic right there. So it's not like actual, like, real type stuff. But, yeah.